Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of oil filters. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about oil filters? Well, let me tell you, choosing the right oil filter is like choosing the right life partner. It might seem like a big investment upfront, but it pays off in the long run. Now, let's get into some key terms you should know. First up is a flow rate, which is the volume of oil that can pass through the filter over time. Generally, the smaller the pore size, the slower the flow rate, and the more likely a filter needs to be offline rather than inline. Speaking of offline and inline, an inline filter is one that the oil has to pass through to reach certain parts of a system. However, offline are often called kidney filters, as they are like dialysis machines taking off a small branch of the oil, usually from an oil tank, and then returning that to the tank just like a dialysis machine. Not all oil has to pass through it, and so these rely on multiple passes to achieve cleanliness targets. Next, we have a filter media, the internal material that captures all the contaminants. Then there's dirt holding capacity, which tells you how much gunk the filter can hold before it starts to block and enter bypass. And last but not least, capture efficiency, expressed as a beta ratio, measures how well the filter retains specific particle sizes. Speaking of beta ratios, if you come across a filter with a beta ratio above 75, grab it. This filter is a superstar, capturing 98.7% of particles of a given size. But remember, different systems have different needs. For instance, if you're dealing with power station turbines or injection molding hydraulic systems, you'll need top-notch filters because these systems demand cleaner lubricants. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if my filter is doing its job? That's where comprehensive testing comes into play. Don't just rely on online particle counters, they can be misleading and there is vast differences between them. You need to conduct a variety of tests to get the full picture. Tests like visual inspection for oil color, large wear particles from lube wear analysis, and water levels are crucial. Some quick on-site tests include, the shake test helps you understand the foam and air release properties in a basic sense, with mass bubble or foam formation being a concern. Your lab will be able to do controlled foam and air release tests to establish problems in detail and much earlier. Putting a sample in a fridge, not next to your lunch, can help identify varnish deposits that readily settle on cooling, but tests such as MPC, ultracentrifugation, and patch weight can help identify varnish in more detail at the lab. And don't forget the magnetic test for detecting iron wear particles. You can use a small magnet in the field to do this, or even use a magnetic drain plug. Tests such as PQ at the lab do this with greater accuracy, but you do have to pay for the test. Now, let's tie this all back to oil analysis. Understanding ISO 4406 codes can give you valuable insights into the cleanliness of your oil, and it's a great way to verify your filter's performance. And if you're still unsure, why not send your filters in for analysis to our lab, as they concentrate problems that may have been filtered out before a sample is taken. We offer comprehensive testing that can give you peace of mind. So there you have it. By understanding these key points, you're well on your way to making informed decisions that will save you money and boost your system's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights. Also, please comment how clean you manage to get your oil in the comments.